In the previous modules, we discussed the fundamentals of blockchain, history and timelines, centralized and decentralized systems, layers of blockchain technology, how a transaction happens on a blockchain, and the important blockchain frameworks. In this module, we will understand what are some practical use cases of blockchain. The best way to understand blockchain is to take a look at its practical applications and services. We'll therefore examine the most practical blockchain applications. Role of blockchain in the automotive industry. Some of the use cases of blockchain technology in the automotive industry are insurance. You can use blockchain technology to verify and secure mileage, premiums, and claims. Car sharing. Blockchain technology solves all the problems of dealing with operators, owners, and third-party service providers instantly because it's single source and usage-based. Blockchain technology keeps track of all the trips. Payments. Blockchain technology makes money transfers straightforward and secure without the requirement of intervention by banks and intermediaries. Personal information. Blockchain technology can keep driver information safe and secure. A car-sharing vehicle can also be directly customized to a user's preference, including radio settings, seats, temperature, and mirrors. Location. Fleet owners can track vehicles and employees with radio frequency identification tags and data stored in the blockchain. It's mostly used in the package delivery industry to cut down on time and distance. Traceability. A blockchain can identify fake transactions, track product origins, and track supply chain activity. Paperwork can be reduced. Supply chain management can use blockchain to verify the source of materials used in vehicles. Vehicle history and recalls. Blockchain can keep track of a car's vehicle identification number, VIN. The manufacturers can be informed of specific vehicle owners who have a problem, so they won't have to spend as much on recalls, and drivers of cars won't need to be inconvenienced. Autonomous vehicles. Data security is ensured by using blockchain technology to process and analyze massive amounts of data about autonomous vehicles. Servicing. A QR code scan stores a vehicle's service history on the blockchain, ensuring only original equipment manufacturer parts are used for replacements and repairs. Role of blockchain in digital identity. Digital identity is now required for most businesses and social transactions. Organizations can easily manage their identities with blockchain. Blockchain is unique because of its self-sovereign identity and handshake mechanism. Self-sovereign identity is a proprietary method of digital identity that provides individuals control of their digital identities. Individuals with self-sovereign identities can store their data on their devices and provide it for verification and transactions without the need to rely upon a central repository of data. This means that a user's self-sovereign identity can be registered on a blockchain. The person can then share that identifying data when making a transaction with a bank. Role of blockchain in financial services. Cross-border payments. Banks charge extra for cross-border payments and transfers. It's slow and expensive. With blockchain, people can send and receive money easily. Cross-border payments are fast and cost-effective with blockchain. Lending platforms. Trust has been essential for lending institutions. With blockchain technology, especially smart contracts, borrowers can negotiate interest rates, installments, and transaction periods reliably. Credit score. Before processing a loan application, banks and other financial institutions need an applicant's credit score. A blockchain lets lenders see undisputed financial transactions to determine creditworthiness. A smart contract protects applicant data. Invoice management and billing solution. Smart contracts let businesses upload invoices to the blockchain, streamlining billing. Fund investment. A blockchain stores people's legal, financial, and personal information. The system reduces fraud and errors, making data easier to access. Transparency in fund investments is possible with blockchain. Government expenses. Blockchain and smart contracts can add transparency, safety, and security to public finance, and blockchain in finance will boost efficiency. Political funds. Blockchain technology makes it easier to capture political fund information. By increasing transparency, voters can make actionable decisions about political parties. Financial record keeping. Financial data is risky to store. Blockchain ensures financial transparency by storing immutable records. Stakeholders can access information through smart contracts. Stock exchange. There's a lot of potential in blockchain for stock exchanges. Brokers and regulators are part of the stock market today. Blockchain can replace regulators in finance with smart contracts. Initial public offering. An IPO is a way for institutional and retail investors to buy shares. It's expensive to do an IPO. Because blockchain technology doesn't involve third parties or intermediaries, the cost of doing an IPO can be brought down. Blockchain in global trade. In commodity trading is a low-margin business. This increases transaction risk, which limits new and growing companies. Traders are demanding efficient producer-to-consumer logistics services. Blockchain promotes easy access to markets and consumers. Its cost-cutting capabilities can boost margins. In trade finance requests from SMEs in emerging markets are usually rejected because of compliance, trust, and low profitability. With blockchain, you can streamline operations, authenticate documents, and coordinate shareholders. By simplifying access to alternative investors, blockchain makes it easier for minor players to get funding. In post-trade settlement could be streamlined with blockchain. Blockchain improves operations and saves money. Businesses can increase transaction efficiency by using blockchain to streamline clearing and settlement. In track and trace, using blockchain technology, you can track and trace orders and goods intelligently. Participants in supply chain networks also get high-level transparency and secure transactions. In addition, it speeds up the confirmations relating to delivery and receipts of goods with intelligent tracking and tracing. Role of blockchain in supply chain. One of the most effective uses of blockchain is supply chain monitoring. Supply chains are crucial to our economy. If the supply chain fails, you'll get late or no products. Shortages can also be caused by supply chain problems. Consumers and companies are concerned about fake and fraudulent items in the supply chain. Using blockchain, you can track supply chain products and make sure they're immutable. Supply chain performance can be improved with blockchain monitoring. Role of blockchain in government and public sector. Smart cities. With blockchain technology, smart cities can get a robust, interoperable infrastructure. Central banking. The central banking digital currency is a digital form of money. It's designed and supported by central banks. CBDC uses blockchain technology to speed up and improve payment security. Authentication of education and professional qualifications. It's very easy to verify academic and professional credentials with blockchain technology. It encrypts government data. Data access can be safely controlled by individuals. Courses and work certifications can be validated by universities, schools, and employers. Tracking vaccinations. With blockchain, insurance companies, medical providers, schools, and colleges can quickly authenticate vaccination records. As a result, micropayments and medical benefits can be accurately activated. Tracking loans and student grants. Blockchain smart contracts can handle loan and grant applications, loan disbursement, and regulatory compliance. Blockchain brings real-time data, security, and enhanced compliance to the process. Payroll tax collection. Smart contracts can make tax collection easier. They match tax data with income data and calculate taxes and social security. Tax credits and net salaries are automatically transferred to confirming recipients using blockchain technology. By automating and coordinating processes, blockchain ensures speed, efficiency, and security in tax collection. Role of blockchain in healthcare and life sciences. Effective and secure management of electronic health records. Medical data can be shared securely with enterprise Ethereum's decentralized databases. The goal is to keep patient data and privacy safe. This lets doctors access patients' medical histories and helps researchers advance science. Consent management for patients. Patients' medical histories are usually available to providers, payers, insurers, etc. It's possible to centralize all distributed data with blockchain technology. Patients can see and control their medical records. Patients, providers, and insurers could all see relevant health information. Drug traceability. Drug traceability is easier with blockchain. Pharmaceutical companies can easily register their products on blockchain and track their journey from source to consumer. Data security in clinical trials. Blockchain can keep verification authentic. Many nodes agree to approve new transactions, and this can prevent data tampering. It promotes reliable trial results, protects data integrity, and strengthens research. Micropayment incentivization. Ethereum smart contracts let you make micropayments to incentivize patient behavior. Patients can get rewarded for following treatment plans and procedures for data sharing. Sustainable practices. Blockchain can track any product, physical or digital. Producers can assess their value chain with blockchain's transparency and tracking. It also makes sure third-party products are labeled properly. Global production and consumption can be made more ethical and sustainable with blockchain. Redefining customer experience. Customer experience can be improved with blockchain. Tokenizing physical assets makes it easier for customers to track product life cycles. Brand authenticity. Blockchain technology allows brands to tokenize non-fungible assets, making them easy to hold, buy, replace, import, or export. Luxury retail items can be authenticated with blockchain technology. Consumers' trust enhancement. Luxury brands can track their entire product lifecycle with blockchain. With blockchain, brands can keep track of everything in their supply chain. The system captures claims and sustainability certifications and makes them available for everyone to see. Transparency in supply chain makes customers trust you. Improved data management. Information can be added to a blockchain and shared across business operations, partners, and business lines. Minimized costs and settlement time. Fashion and luxury retailers can save money with blockchain. Data management, supply chain management, and counterfeit and gray market risk mitigation are all improved. Traceability of raw material and products through the life cycle. Retail, fashion, and luxury businesses can manage large data sets more efficiently and transparently with blockchain. Blockchain can give reputable brands an edge. Loyalty programs. Luxury brands can transact with many partners by tokenizing loyalty programs. Interoperable loyalty tokens can be received and converted on the blockchain. Role of blockchain in media and entertainment. Efficient royalty payments. It's possible to streamline and improve royalty payments with blockchain in media. Smart contracts also solve predetermined conditions like releasing payments on time. With blockchain, artists can get paid better for their work. Micropayments and usage-based payment models. Audience consumption habits have disrupted the media and entertainment industry. Consumers can pay for what they want with micropayments. Artists also get paid with blockchain smart contracts. It's a win-win for everyone. Blockchain makes it easy for consumers to access content. Content creators can be paid without intermediaries. Advertising engagement metrics. Advertisers, agencies, and clients can authentically track and attribute advertising metrics with blockchain. They can estimate budgets and know where their money is generating clicks. Blockchain's shared ledger prevents data manipulation and fraud. Disintermediation. Using blockchain in media eliminates intermediaries, streamlines processes, and cuts costs. Fraud and piracy prevention. Media and entertainment companies are struggling with fraud and piracy. Even though blockchain technology is still in its infancy, it can prevent fraud and piracy. Content surveillance and forensic watermarking are some small-scale applications. Role of blockchain in energy and sustainability. Energy companies are implementing blockchain technologies in their operations and business processes. Through blockchain, we can bill accurately, customize plans based on customer usage, trade energy, and control decentralized energy systems and microgrids. Blockchain can be used to improve efficiency and effectiveness in the energy ecosystem. This is done through advanced sensors, smart meters, control and energy management systems, network monitoring apparatus, building monitoring systems, and smart home energy controllers. Grids, customer security, and identity management can all be streamlined with blockchains. To summarize what we've seen with the use cases so far, blockchain applications are more than Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's success is why it has become synonymous with all blockchain applications. However, more blockchain applications are being used by several industry sectors to reduce cost, increase transparency and fairness, and advance the sector's efficiency. Blockchain applications use cases in other industries include supply chain and logistics, healthcare, retail and e-commerce, finance, property and real estate, media, NFT marketplaces, music, cross-border payments, personal identity security, government and voting, anti-money laundering, advertising, original content creation, automotive, and smart contracts.